Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making patty melts. Alright, I'm starting on a large skillet I had preheated. Over here on another skillet I have some onions. You can't see my camera, but I have some onions frying up for on our patty melts. Nothing beats a burger with fried onions on it. And I have some ground beef here. And I'm going to take a large scooper. And I'm doing this because my hands hurt from work. I do repetitive motion and my hands are sore, so I don't want to get them down in a cold ground beef. And I'm going to take a healthy scoop of beef for each one. Get it down in the skillet. Alright, now that I have all my ground beef in it, I'm going to take a metal skillet, or a metal spatula. We want something heavyweight. And I'm going to go ahead and flatten these burger patties down. And they don't have to be perfect, as long as they fit the bread we're using. You can see these are going to be some big burgers. Alright, now they have them flattened down, I'm going to go ahead and season them with some black pepper, Himalayan pink salt, and garlic seasoning. If you don't have this, a little salt and pepper will do. And I'm going to fry these for about 4 minutes per side till they're cooked through. And now that my burgers are done, another pan I have hot, and don't mind, I fried the kids' sandwiches up first because they were hungry. I have some ciabatta bread, and I'm going to take some olive oil and spray it. You could also butter your bread. And I'm going to put a slice of American cheese on here. Zach wanted Swiss cheese, so I made his with Swiss. You can use any kind of cheese you like. And then I'm going to take one of them burgers. I'm going to cut it in half over here. And then I'm going to layer it on there like so, so it fits the bread. And I'm going to take some of those fried onions. There aren't much left after everybody got theirs. You can see Holly's sandwich in the background peeking in the shot. That's there for her for when she gets home. Put some of these onions on here. And I'm going to put more cheese on there. And I have my heat down on low because you don't want your bread to burn before your cheese melts. And I'm going to take the top piece of bread and spray that with some olive oil. See how long and big this bread is. I originally got nicer looking ciabatta bread, or ordered it. Walmart was out of it, so they substituted this for it. So I'm going to make it work. So I'm going to let that brown on first, and then I'm going to turn it over. I also went ahead and made some seasoned fries to go with this, but I'm not having any. And guys, I need to correct myself. This isn't ciabatta bread, it's sour bread dough. Let me try a piece of this. That's really delicious, guys. The burger's well seasoned. You get that crispy bread. You get that caramelized onion, which is really delicious. And then you get that cheese. Really easy, really delicious, guys. Patty melts. Thanks for watching and supporting me. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.